Hello, today I am going to show you how to change currency in Google Keyword Planner. So let's start the main video. First, open your Chrome or any other browser. Then go to Google Ads. Now click on Admin at left side. Now click on Account Settings. Now click on Time Zone. Then click on Learn More. After that, click on your currency settings. You will need to open a new account to change currency, because your currency is permanently set when you set up your account. If you want to change currency, you must create a new account and set your desired currency at the time of account creation. For that, click on Create a New Account. Then fill in your account information and set your desired currency on the billing page. Changing the currency in Google Keyword Planner helps you view keyword costs, competition, and bid estimates that match your target country or market. By setting the correct currency, you get more accurate CPC and budget insights, which makes keyword research and planning more reliable. This is especially useful when you're targeting international audiences or managing ads for different regions, ensuring your data aligns with real market conditions. And that's it. Thanks for watching.